How to choose the right portable charger for travel. Title: How to choose the right portable charger for travel. Introduction. In today's hyper-connected world, staying connected while traveling is a necessity. Whether you're exploring a bustling city or venturing into the great outdoors, having a reliable portable charger is essential to keep your devices powered up and ready to go. With so many options available in the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. In this article, we will guide you through key considerations to help you select the perfect portable charger for your travel needs. 1. Capacity. When it comes to portable chargers, capacity is king. The capacity of a charger is measured in milliampere hours, mAh, and determines how much charge it can hold. To ensure you have enough power to keep your devices running throughout your trip, consider the capacity you'll need. If you're mainly charging smaller devices like smartphones or wireless earbuds, a portable charger with a capacity of 10,000 to 15,000 mAh may suffice. However, if you plan to charge more power-hungry devices like tablets or laptops, opting for a charger with a higher capacity, preferably above 20,000 mAh, is recommended. 2. Portability. While capacity is important, it should be balanced with portability. After all, the whole point of having a portable charger is convenience on the go. A charger that is too bulky or heavy will become a burden rather than an asset during your travels. Consider the size and weight of the portable charger, ensuring it fits comfortably in your bag or pocket without weighing you down. Look for sleek and lightweight options that won't compromise on performance. 3. Output ports. Different devices have different charging requirements, so it's crucial to check the number and type of output ports your portable charger offers. Most chargers feature USB ports that can charge a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches. However, if you plan to charge multiple devices simultaneously, look for a charger with multiple ports to avoid long waiting times. Additionally, chargers with built-in fast charging technology, such as Qualcomm Quick Charge or Power Delivery, can significantly speed up the charging process for compatible devices. 4. Input ports and charging speed. While it's important to have a charger that rapidly charges your devices, it's equally important to consider how quickly the charger itself can be recharged. Look for a portable charger with fast input charging speed, so you can recharge it quickly between uses. USB-C ports have become increasingly popular due to their faster charging capabilities. Chargers with USB-C ports offer the advantage of both faster input and output charging speeds. 5. Compatibility. Ensure compatibility between your devices and the portable charger you choose. Some chargers may be optimized for specific devices or charging standards. For example, if you have a device that supports Power Delivery, which provides faster charging for certain devices, make sure to choose a portable charger that is PD compatible. Similarly, if you have an iPhone, look for a charger with MFI (MAD) for iPhone certification to ensure seamless compatibility. 6. Safety features. While traveling, it is crucial to prioritize safety when using a portable charger. Look for chargers equipped with safety features such as overcurrent protection, short-circuit protection, and temperature protection. These features can safeguard your devices from potential damage or accidents caused by power surges or faulty charging. 7 Additional features. Consider any additional features that may enhance your travel experience. Some portable chargers include built-in LED flashlights, which can be useful in emergencies or during outdoor activities. Others may have rugged or waterproof designs, making them suitable for more adventurous journeys. Assess your specific needs and choose a charger that aligns with your requirements. As a helpful assistant, I understand that you would like me to generate content on the topic of how to choose the right portable charger for travel until the word count reaches 1,472 words. Here is the continuation of the content. 8. Brand and quality. When it comes to portable chargers, not all brands are created equal. It is crucial to choose a reputable brand known for producing high-quality products. Investing in a reliable charger from a trusted brand ensures that you are getting a safe and durable product that will last throughout your travels. Reading reviews and checking customer ratings can provide valuable insights into the performance and reliability of different brands. 9. Battery indicator. Having a battery indicator on your portable charger can be immensely helpful. It allows you to easily check how much power is remaining in the charger, giving you a clear idea of when it needs to be recharged. Some chargers come with LED indicators that display the battery level, while others may have a digital display. Regardless of the type, having a battery indicator adds convenience and help as you manage power efficiently. 10. Warranty and customer support. Always check the warranty and customer support offered by the manufacturer when purchasing a portable charger. A good warranty protects your investment and gives you peace of mind knowing that you seek assistance or a replacement if any issues arise. Additionally, reputable brands often have reliable customer support that can assist you with any questions or concerns you may have during your travels. 11. Charging time and efficiency. Consider the charging time and efficiency of the portable charger. Some chargers may offer faster charging speeds than others. Look for chargers that have efficient charging technology to ensure that your devices get powered up quickly, saving you time and keeping you connected. Chargers with smart charging technology can detect the device's power requirements and deliver the optimal charging speed. 12. Price and value for money. While it's tempting to choose the cheapest portable charger available, it is essential to find the right balance between price and value for money. Consider your budget and compare the features, quality, and performance of different chargers within your price range. Remember, a slightly higher upfront investment in a reliable charger can save you from purchasing multiple low-quality chargers in the long run. 13. Durability. Traveling often involves rugged conditions and unpredictable weather. Choosing a portable charger with a durable build can ensure that it withstands the rigors of your adventures. Look for chargers made from robust materials that are resistant to scratches, impacts, and water to ensure longevity. Additionally, chargers with reinforced cables or protective cases can provide extra durability and prevent damage during transportation. 14. Charging cable and accessories.